I thought it was just another trip, but Morocco had something else in store. Blue rooftops, golden light, and silence that welcomed me like a dream.
A taste that tells 1,000 stories.
Every step feels like you're walking through legend.
The souks moved like a living painting. Colors swirling, spices in the air, music calling from every corner. And then the doors opened. A meal, a smile, and a welcome that made me feel like I had come home. When the sun set, the magic began. Firelight flickered, stars filled the sky, and I sat still, part of something far greater than myself. Every glance, every scent, every sound. Morocco wasn't just a place, it was a story I lived.